And guys, I'm back again, and we're gonna react to this video. Yeah, look it is. I'm going to read that. Ooh, not bad.
No, do not enter.
Why?
Because Big Ram is going to kill us with his horn.
He will think the sun came out. When I switch on my strong flashlight.
Bro, the Rob will
A few minutes later.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Be scared. I'll keep the ram away.
Yeah, you think the Rob is scared. Huh? He's a scorpion. Bro, he has a lot of pumpkins. How the heck he has a lot of pumpkins? Look, wait. Look. Look, there's a lot of pumpkins in the store.
Your bald head.
Their bald head is big. What the hell?
Look at my flute. I can make friends by playing music.
How about a bear? That's like
You bunny.
That's Cocomelon. Hey, yo, Coco.
Make a rabbit friend with flute.
No,
That's
Why?
rabbits are only food.
Oh yeah. Rabbits are only food.
Masked King's
Rabbit.
Palace.
I wonder what's inside.
Masked guys.
They will eat hot food today.
Hot.
What food?
Hot.
Oh my gosh. How do
How to activate this?
We need 4 gems to activate.
But the king will spawn and kill us.
Wow. I will show who is the real king.
Then go and find the gems.
5 minutes later.
We need army.
Yes, bear army.
How are we gonna team up there? What? Good.
You want too much?
I have.
You want that? No.
Panda, you will always follow me.
Oh, noodles.
We need more.
It's noodles. How the hell did you tame him? That's all about the chicken. Pumpkin. Pizza. Stop killing boy.
Attention.
How much?
Welcome aboard the team. Provide everything that moves.
Slapper. Down. Killing him. When the ghost of we got that app. Ooh.
Are you guys hungry?
Yeah. How much do we have?
Treat for everyone.
It's like an animal.
summon the Noob King.
Nice. My bears are getting hungry.
Yeah, that bear is getting hungry because of you. Ooh, has the gemstones with the forest. And full accelerator.
Go bite him.
Go bite him. What? Bleh.
Noob King. Trash loot.
Smart bears.
Tonight, I'll cut all of these trees in one shot.
But you have old axe.
Just watch.
Oh god. Bro, watch this.
This is easy. I can do it too.
No, look at that. Last time I got a cheese and I drank all of it.
A few minutes later.
Where's your hole?
Idiot. There is a chest. It's in the middle of the lava.
I can go. I am Pro Abby.
Bro?
Ha ha ha.
Right, laughing. Bro, nothing really this sound is cool. Look, all it's
Don't die. Be careful.
They are the ones who must be careful.
How?
With my ball full of fire.
balls. Bro, that's a ball full of fire.
Dancer. Iba yung mga senior. 6 bomb.
It's my building now. Grab everything.
Okay.
From Ponskin Institute. Pons Ultralight Biofilm.
Walang tumaba. Ayun mo siya, medyo mataba.
Look, that's so funny. So funny. Yeah, forward.
Okay, pababa naman.
Forward.
There is a mountain.
Wait a second.
Nako.
Look at forward.
Masked guys guarding the entrance.
I can see.
You won't see now.
Ayan, Kim.
What? Volcano is hungry.
Then let's feed it.
Huh?
fried bacon.
Fried bacon.
Siya pala si Joe Five.
Look,
Oh my god, ito ito. Drop it the lava.
OMG.
Fire sword.
We need safe place.
Bro, that's not safe. I want to kill you.
We are safe now.
What the hell is that?
Ha ha ha.
Shield.